Mimi. I won't look until you get the... All right.
Does that look like it?
That's good, Jacob. What is Ben playing? Hi, Papa.
Let me take a picture of your
Kelly.
Papa. Picture of their artwork.
You should have let me see it while it was up. But turn around and let me at least see it. Gracie. Say hi, Papa.
Let's wave to Papa.
Hi, Papa.
Wave to Papa. Wave. Wave. You want to put a mask on there? Can we take a picture of you with your mask on?
Jacob, you got game. Huh?
Wow. Hey, Jacob, you do pretty good with the people.
Luke's got game.
Good job. Both of them. Good. Nice.
That's like the thing that was like that.
You get straight down.
The table turn.
Yeah, it does. 1, 2, 3.
Can you see Luke's face?
Yeah.
Grace. Just be yourself. Look out, Ben. Well, I should get the collection of hats. The Low Country General sign. Artistic efforts by one and all.
You want a drink? Where's your drink?
Another artistic effort by Greg Gray.
This is in a Moe's cup, Capri Sun.
A TV
Drank it all, put it in the trash.
and a TV.
Okay. I think there's a cup right here. Gracie, in there, a cup.
And a beautiful painting. I can do all things through
Look,
Christ
here's your cup.
who gives me strength. Philippians 4:13. Lots of little messages to Luke.
Yeah, because you put food on it.
Cookie?
Okay, Jacob.
How about a bite of banana? Oh, he wants cookies.
No, look at the camera.
Cookie? Chicken?
I got your
Cookie. Please. Cookie. Take Tommy.
He knows what a cookie is.
More cookie? Mommy's got it. Mommy's got the cookies.
It says, Luke.
Look at Papa. There's
Hi,
a cookie.
Poppy.
Gracie, you want it over her face?
No.
Look, Ben, you want a cookie? Ben. All right, Dad, there's your shot.
Well, I'm taking it. It's a video.
Well, let me get one with my camera, and then I'll give you
Okay.
a cookie.
Let me see it on this.
Oh,
That's not too bad. But can I want to see Luke's. You didn't save it, did you?
Yeah, I did. I'll go take it.
Sit by us. Come sit by us.
You just zag to go across it.
Cute little self-funded. Sit on the big boy. Here we go. Turn around, sit down. Hey.
Oh,
Hey.
okay.
Turn around. You want a cookie? Turn around.
Oh,
Turn around. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, cute guy. Here we go. There you go.
Wait, 1 second. I
There we go.
So Julie left.
Oh my goodness. Who's that? Let me get a close over there. Oh my. Oh my.
Oh, look at Mom.
Don't move them so fast. I want to be able
Wait. What am I?
Don't move them so fast.
What are they doing over there?
Why are you moving them so fast? Okay. Now give me another one, but not. Okay, we know who that is. We know who that is. Who that? Where's Papa? Where's Papa? Oh my God.
Oh, we didn't save
Not too
Papa's.
fast, please.
We didn't save Papa's.
No, you won't.
Good.
Who's this, Ben? Who's that?
That one's funny.
And then
The head.
Right here. Over there.
The mouth. Old bird mouth. Laughter's the best medicine.
look at that.
Laughter is the best. Oh, now
Wait, I just got to get to it.
Okay, tell me which one you got.
I'll show you the last 3 I took.
Don't move them so fast, though, because okay, now who is that? Let me-
Gracie.
Oh, of course. The only
Tell me
thing
when to move it.
I'm shooting into the light.
Oh, yeah. Pull
Go ahead,
it this
move it.
way.
There you go. That's perfect.
Tell me when to move it.
Move it. Jacob. Cowboy Jacob. Gracie.
Mrs. Piggy.
And one more.
There's no more.
We gonna put your shoes back on or not?
Ben. Wait a second. Now let me get it. Holy cow. I have really changed a lot since I've been coming to this hospital.
Mom.
Ready for bed? Everybody, Kelly, I'll probably... Bye-bye.
Now you can work with it. Move back just to the.
Yeah, right there.
Come on, guys. Bye-bye. Love you too.
You're a
Let me
redneck.
see.
Fun memories for Luke.
Love you.
That's good.